Good evening, I'm Jill Valley.
And I'm Dennis Bray.
The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association, or NOAA, released its Winter Outlook, and it is a much different forecast than we've seen the past couple of years.
Meteorologist Russ Thomas tells us snow totals are likely going to be down.
If you've spent time outdoors over the last week, you've seen sunny days and clear nights with an increase in valley haze. If the forecasted winter weather pattern holds, we'll see more sunny days and dry days than normal. The weak El Nino weather pattern that has developed favors milder mountain conditions.
Higher confidence that we're going to be seeing warmer temperatures in the mountainous areas. In the valleys, it tends to get a little bit more complicated. If we have long periods of valley inversions, we can actually see quite cold temperatures in the valleys.
The key to these inversions is how often and how long ridges of high pressure settle over the northern Rockies, including western Montana. A week or more of high pressure inhibiting mixing of air will lead to cold highs and lows and increased pollutants. As for precipitation, the jury is still out on what this forecasted El Nino will bring.
There's quite a bit of variability. There's actually weak El Ninos where we see above average precipitation and weak El Ninos where we see quite below average precipitation.
One interesting thing to keep in mind is the shift in precipitation during weak El Nino conditions over the last 100 years. Prior to 1980, many El Nino years were wetter than normal. Since 1980, every event has come with below normal precipitation, meaning the likelihood of less mountain and valley snow is the most likely scenario. As is the case with every El Nino winter, it is almost certain that while the overall projection leads to drier and mild conditions, we'll still have periods of snow and the occasional storm, just not as many as normal. In Missoula, Russ Thomas, MTN News.
And an increase in strong valley inversions also increases the chances for cold rain and freezing rain events. For us,